Warmly welcome to all of my friends on my YouTube channel. Request to all of my new members, new friends, please kindly subscribe my channel for upcoming new informatics videos, and thanks for watching. So today we're gonna discuss about copyright free video, music, images where you can find out. So today I will inform you, I will describe the three sites about copyright free videos. The first site is Pixabay, so Pixabay. So just simple go on Chrome browser, you can type Pixabay, Pixabay, Pixabay. So here we go, there's a first site. You can see the format, images and everything is there. So there is a searching option, you can see that. So normally anything which you want, just write here, just put the comments here. So normally you can find out the images, videos, music, anything. So let's suppose I need pictures or videos about the sand. So simply I will type a sand on this searching option, sand, and I will click on the video. So I need a video. So after the searching, this website will show all kind of sand videos, related sand like beaches, sand videos, anything, everything, like anything related to sand. See, these are all videos there. So these are all videos because we already clicked on a videos option. So you can easily click on that video, any video which you want to download. So click on that and there is a download option. Just click on the download. There is also a quality of picture quality you can select, and after that simply it will be download. So it's a simple Pixabay website, so you can easily find out the music, videos, images for your YouTube videos. So this is a website without copyright. There's no problem, you can use anywhere in YouTube. So it's a without copyright website. So this is the first website. It's a very common and it's very popular. Normally everybody is using, those people who are making videos like on YouTube. So it's a simple to use and very popular to use. So it's the first website, Pixabay. So second website for free videos, etc. is a Pixel. So just go on a Chrome browser, pixel.com. Okay, so pixel.com is a simple, there's a simple format. You can see the searching option, you can same thing, you can put what you want. So it's a pixels.com. okay, pixels.com website. So let's put I write a green option, green. So this site shows all kind of green photos and related to green, everything they are showing the photos. Here I write a green images, like I want images on a green topic. So and above also videos. So it is already showing videos, images. So here we can download all the things. So third website is Videovo, videvo.net. So just simple go on a browser, Chrome browser, write a Videovo, and here is also there's a lot of things to download. Searching option is there. You can put anything you want related to your videos. You want to download videos, images, pictures, music, everything you can download here. So click on just on videos, that videos which you want to download. There's a download option. Quality is also there, quality option, and you can download that video and you can use in your YouTube videos. So it's a very simple, very common and very attractive videos, websites to use. So this is today we discuss about the three websites, free copyright websites. First Pixabay, second pixels.com, and third videovo.net. So I think you already understand all the things here. There's a simple thing, just go on the Chrome browser, write the website name, and after that download what you want. So I hope you all guys understand this. For more information you can subscribe my channel for more videos and many more things. And if you like this video, kindly click on the like button and subscribe the channel, and if you want you can share this video with your friends. So thanks for watching, and Allah Hafiz.